Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have for you another Madewell retail arbitrage haul that I'm hoping to resell on Poshmark and eBay. So if you want to check out some of the fun stuff I picked up from Madewell recently, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new here, thanks so much for joining us. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I really love making videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience as well. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please also consider subscribing. That'll really help me out as well. So for today, again, I want to take you through another Madewell retail arbitrage haul. And if you watch my channel at all, you'll notice that I have done several of these in the past, and I'll link those down below in case you're curious. I do really like sourcing on Madewell for retail arbitrage. I don't think it's the most profitable way to source your Poshmark or eBay closets. However, it's just a fun, different way to do so, and it adds some variety to your closet as well. At least for me, Madewell continues to be one of my top selling brands in my closet, so I'm always interested in finding some decent deals to flip on Poshmark and eBay. So I want to take you through the items that I picked up today. It's not a huge haul, but I have some really cute items that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you want to check out my Poshmark closet, or anyone's Poshmark closet, and are new to Poshmark and decide to make your first purchase, if you use my referral code MODMOMMD, that's MODMOMMD, you will save $10. So definitely check out the referral code in case you're new to Poshmark. So I'm just going to take you through the items that I decided to pick up from Madewell today. I will share with you my cost of goods as well, because I think that information is helpful as a reseller, so you can kind of gauge what types of prices I'm looking at when I source these items. These prices will not include tax, and tax in my area pushes close to 10%, so it's quite a bit to remember to tack on to the prices I'm going to quote you today. But I did get free shipping on this order, so really the extra cost that I will not be quoting you is tax, and it's definitely, you know, a pretty heavy consideration to remember. So let's just go ahead and dive into this. So I got 2 boxes here, and I have not seen any of these items yet. It's really kind of a true unboxing, although I do know, of course, what's in here. So this first one here is a pair of shoes. So let me just take it out of the box here. And this is a really pretty shoe. I think it's perfect for going into the spring and summer months. And it's this gorgeous nubuck leather heeled sandal. So in referencing the sheet here, this is the Kelsey Bare Heel ankle strap sandal in nubuck leather. The color is earth and sand. It's in a size 10. And I paid $34.99 for these sandals. So as you can see, it's just a beautiful heeled sandal there. It has this buckle adjustable strap here. You can see right there, which is just really convenient. And I just love these strappy looks for warm weather. And this neutral color is just right up my alley. I love wearing a lot of neutral shoes. They just go with everything. They're so versatile. And they really lengthen your leg because it kind of blends into your skin tone in general. So I think this is just gorgeous. And there's the Madewell on the inside. So really fun block-heeled sandal, I thought, for the warmer months. So I will see how this does. In general, my experience with Madewell shoes, as I've said before, is pretty good. So I really, in particular, love selling Madewell jeans and shoes. I think those do extra well in my closet, so I wanted to give these a try. Okay, so the rest of my items are in here. I don't see a packing slip or my receipt in here, so I'm going to have to reference my order here on my phone, if you don't mind. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull up the items that I ordered and let you know what my cost of goods were for these. So I did pick up a nice variety of items. I think some of these items are perfect for transitional winter to spring seasons, and some other ones are perfect for the actual spring and summer months. So I kind of think a little bit ahead in terms of trying to source my closet. So the first item on the top here is this really pretty pair of shorts. So these are just a basic denim short here, and let me give you the exact style name here. It's the high-rise denim shorts. It's in Burke wash. It's the button front edition. It's in a size 27, and I paid $19.99 for this prior to tax. So as you can see here, it's a basic pair of shorts. The bottoms here could be worn cuffed or uncuffed, which is kind of nice. It's an unfinished frayed hemline, which I really like and look for. And it's high rise, which is another really I think trendy style still these days. The button fly I think also adds some really nice fun detail, so I really like picking items with button flies. I think it's just a basic medium to lighter wash, which is perfect for just going with everything. A size 27 I think in general is a pretty good size as well, so I was excited to find these for this price. I think during the spring and summer months, at least for me, denim shorts like this just kind of fly out, so I'm excited to try to get this one listed and see how it does. The next item in here, I got two of, and let me open it up for you guys. So this is a really cute swimsuit. As you can see here, it's this really nice kind of pumpkin-y rust type of tone, and it's a one piece, and it has a really nice cross strappy back, as you can see, and a low back as well. So it's a pretty basic type of swimsuit. It's this really nice rib design as well in the material fabric, and it has a built-in shelf bra as well, which is also nice. So I just thought this is a really classic basic swimsuit. To me, this kind of screams Madewell. I think when I think of Madewell swimsuits, I often think of these kind of looks, just kind of really cute basic looks. So this swimsuit is called the Second Wave Ribbed Crisscross One-Piece Swimsuit. I actually got two of them, like I mentioned, so here's my other one. And I got them in different sizes. So the color is called New Copper, and I got one in size small and one in size medium. And I paid $20.99 for each of these prior to tax. So I'm not sure if I overpaid for this. I might have, but I have sold almost an identical swimsuit to this last summer pretty quickly, really close to full asking price. So I did make a decent amount of profit on it. So I was excited to find this available. So we will see how this does. I really like stocking swimwear. I think in the spring and summer months in particular, obviously swimwear does extra well. For me personally though, it's really hard to find good condition thrifted swimwear. There's often almost for sure some pilling or wear on the items. And swimwear is a line of clothing that I think oftentimes people would prefer to buy new at tags. So for those reasons, when I'm trying to get into retail arbitrage, I try to focus a little bit more on swimwear compared to other types of clothing items, because I think in general people may be searching for new at tag items more than other types of clothes. Okay, so next up, I have a really basic pair of white jeans, and I love Madewell for these basics. They make great basics like shoes and denim, swimwear like I just talked about. So this is a really nice pair of jeans. It has a lot of the features that I look for in all of my denim these days. So it's high rise, it has button fly. So I thought it was a really classic basic style, and it's in this bright white. It's a 10-inch rise skinny crop in a size 24. So I thought this was just perfect. It retails for $135, and I believe I got it for $17.49, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So I personally love wearing white denim really all times of year now in white denim. So I think it's just a basic to have in your closet, and this style I think is just a basic classic style. So I'm really hoping that somebody will agree with me. But yeah, I had a hard time passing this one up. I thought this was a pretty good price for this pair of jeans. Okay, so the next item I did also get two of, and sometimes I do that, especially with your arbitrage, of course, is if I find an item that I think is a pretty good deal, I'll try to get two of them, and I try to get different sizes to try different things out. So this particular item, of course, will have to be steamed and prepped, but it's a pair of beautiful linen pants. So these are 52% linen, 48% viscose, but it's a pair of paper bag pants, as you can see here at the waistline, that cinches like that. And it has this really nice tie like all paper bag pants do. And it's a beautiful linen blend, just kind of flowy, really, really beautiful, comfortable pair of linen pants. It's in this kind of ivory type of color. So I thought this was just a fun one to add, especially in these transitional months that we're heading into. I think it's a perfect style. So I did pick these pants up in two different sizes, in a size 6 and a size 10. This is the size 10 right here. And I do have the size 6 right here, which I won't unbag for you because this is exactly the same style. But I personally love this paper bag design. I think it was really popular for a while. I'm not sure if it's still so trendy, but I personally love it because it allows your pants to be high-waisted, and there's some really nice waistline details. So for me, at least, it kind of camouflages my waistline a little bit. So I personally love wearing these kind of pants, especially to work. I think it looks really cute. It's professional, but has a little bit of extra style. So that's kind of what I was looking for. And linen, of course, as you all know, does really well in the warmer months too. So for these reasons, I thought this might be a good pickup. It retails as well for $85, and I paid $22.49 for each of these pair of pants prior to tax. And then finally, I picked up a few jackets. So the first one here is this really cool utility type of style jacket, and I really like this colorway. This green I think is really, really fun. It's kind of an army type of green. So this particular jacket is called the Claremont Drawstring Jacket. I got it in a size small. The color is called Palm Tree, and I paid $34.99 for this prior to tax. But I thought it was just really fun, again, transitional weather type of a jacket. As you can see, I really love this kind of utility type of look. There's some drawstrings that are functional here, and it's just a button up, but I really love the drawstrings there because it really defines your waist, as you can see on this jacket. So I thought it was really nice for the color and the style, so I wanted to kind of give this one a try. So in general, at least for me, I don't have great luck selling jackets. So I really want to try to expand my jacket collection in my closets now. So I thought this would be a really nice addition to try out. Okay, so the final item, again, I got multiples of. They're both in a size small because I was intending to consider keeping one of these for myself. So we'll see how I like it, but I thought it was kind of a fun style to add, and it's another jacket. So this is oversized trucker denim jacket in tile white, and again I got both of these in size small, and I paid $34.99 for these prior to tax. So this style I just really love. So I love classic Madewell denim jackets. I have a few in my closet. I really wear them a lot. I don't have any white colorways though, so I was considering keeping this for myself. I think white denim or white jackets in general, white leather jackets, anything on the top as a jacket, I think is really fun and fresh. It adds a lot of color to your face, but also you can wear it easily with denim on the bottom, even more so than wearing other denim style jackets. And you can also easily pair with other darker bottoms as well. So I think it's just really a fun, fresh look, especially if you're going to warmer months as well, kind of lightens things up a little bit. So I wanted to try this out. And Madewell, I think, is known for their oversized kind of trucker jackets, which I think is still really trendy now. So I thought this was a good one. So it is really oversized, but that's the look. And it goes a little longer too, and it's just very basic style, and it has no distressing, which I kind of like too, because sometimes I do wear these types of jackets into work. I mean, I don't wear them in the clinic or actually in the workplace, but wearing it to work when I'm walking for my car, for instance, I will wear denim jackets. And I think this colorway looks a little bit more professional, especially if it's not distressed heavily. So I thought this was just a very classic oversized trucker jacket Madewell look. So I'm excited to try this one on for myself, and I'm also excited to try to sell one of these as well. So I'll let you know how well I do with it. Alright, so there you have it. That was my really quick Madewell haul for retail arbitrage to hopefully resell on Poshmark and eBay. I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about the types of styles I've been picking up these days. Thank you so much for watching yet another video, and I'll plan to see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.